Guys, welcome back to Liz Kitchen. My name is Manuel. Today we are going to make spaghetti with tomato sauce.
We are going to make spaghetti. These are all the ingredients that we need. Traditional spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce, half kilo of minced meat, chopped hot dogs, chopped onions, capsicum, carrots, salt, butter, garlic, spaghetti noodles, and cheese. Now we are going to boil the spaghetti noodles. Okay, we have a boiling water here. We add oil and a teaspoon of salt to add flavor to the noodles. Okay, then we are going to put in the spaghetti noodles. Okay. This will take 10 minutes to cook the noodles. And just let it boil for a while, 10 minutes, until the noodles will get soft. You have to stir once in a while so that the noodles won't stick in the pot. Now our noodles is soft. I'm going to drain up the water. After this, we can just set the noodles aside. We are going to do the next procedure. Our next procedure is we are going to fry the sauce. Now we put the butter. Can add garlic, next is chopped onions, add in the minced meat. you can add in the sausage. And the capsicum. I like to put more veggie. More of. Then decorated carrots. I like to put a lot of carrots because of the sweetness. The more carrots will add much flavor to the sauce. And allow it to boil for a while until the meat is fully cooked. Okay, we can add a bit of salt. Have to stir once in a while so that it won't stick on the pot. Okay, you can see that the gravy of the meat is coming out, and it's almost cooked. Now we can add the spaghetti sauce. Okay, now it's a bit dry, so what you do is to add water to the jar. Just shake it, and then the water will pour to the wok. Okay. Okay, now we can add in the tomato sauce. Okay, tomato sauce is already sweetened, so it's up to you how sweet you want. You can add more or according to your taste. Now we can add the cheese.
You enjoy my mom's cooking. Now I'm going to eat. Mmm. Mm.